Hello students, welcome to DPS Siliguri online class day 3. Today we will discuss about the longitudes and the important features of longitude, two important lines of longitude, that is 0 degree and 180 degree, and we will also discuss about the difference between latitude and longitudes. So before we start today's lesson, let's revise once yesterday's lesson. Number 1 is important parallel of latitudes. What are the important parallel of latitude? Number 1, equator. Number 2, Tropic of Cancer. Number 3, Tropic of Capricorn. Number 4, Arctic Circle. And number 5, Antarctic Circle. And we also learned about the heat zones. We divided our Earth into 3 heat zones. Number 1, torrid zone. Number 2, temperate zone. And number 3, frigid zone. Torrid zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in Northern Hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in Southern Hemisphere. Frigid zone lies beyond the Arctic Circle in Northern Hemisphere and beyond the Antarctic Circle in Southern Hemisphere. So, you already know about latitudes. So, what are latitudes? Latitudes are horizontal line and which help us to locate any place north or south from the equator. But latitude is not enough to locate any place on map. Now you may be thinking, why we can't locate any place with the help of latitude? I am giving one example. You can see this part of India, that is southern part of India, and this part of Mexico are in same latitude, but Mexico is in western side and India is in eastern side of the world. So that's why we can't locate any place only with the help of latitudes. So, geographer had drawn a set of line from North Pole to South Pole, which help us to locate east and west directions. These lines are actually called longitudes. You already know about prime meridian. What is prime meridian? The imaginary vertical line which divide the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere is called prime meridian. Now question is, why I am telling you about prime meridian? Because prime meridian is related with longitudes. Now tell me, what are longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary vertical line which extended from North Pole to South Pole. So, what are longitudes? Imaginary vertical line which are extended from North Pole to South Pole. As you can see in this diagram, these lines are longitudes, and I had drawn some lines are in eastern side and some lines are in western side. Longitudes are actually angular distance of any place east or west of prime meridian. Here I had marked 0 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree east, and this side 20 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree and 100 degree west. So these are actually the angular distance of any place respect to prime meridian. Do you know longitudes are also called meridians? Yes, longitude are also called meridian as because they drawn with the help of prime meridian. That means prime meridian taking as a base, and on the basis of that I had drawn this line and this line. That's why longitudes are called meridian. Now question is, what is the meaning of meridian? The meaning of meridian is midday, because each meridian get overhead sun rays every day. As you can see in this diagram, all meridians meet together in North Pole and South Pole, and the length of each meridian is equal, and they all are semicircle. Now problem is to select a particular meridian as a starting point, because length of all the meridian are same, they are semicircle, and all the meridian march together in northern pole and southern pole. So there is one story behind selection of prime meridian. In October 1884, all the countries of the world came together in Washington DC to decide about the starting point of meridian. So, in International Meridian Conference, after a long discussion between all the countries, they had decided to use the meridian which passing through British Royal Observatory at Greenwich, London as a starting point of the meridians. This meridian is considered as a 0 degree meridian, and it also called prime meridian. I will show you in the map which one is prime meridian and where is British Royal Observatory located. So, as you can see, this line is marked as 0 degree. So, this meridian is actually prime meridian, and here is British Royal Observatory located through which 0 degree longitude passes. Next is, there are 180 meridians are in eastern side and there are 180 meridian are in western side. So total number of meridian is 360. Those meridians are located in eastern hemisphere. They are marked as east, and those meridians are located in western hemisphere. They marked as west. I had marked here 20 degree east, 40 degree east and so on, and this side is 20 degree west, 40 degree west and so on. Can you tell me what are the features of longitude? Let's know about it. Number 1, longitudes are imaginary vertical line. As you can see, all the longitudes are vertical line and they are imaginary line because there is no such line drawn on the earth's surface. Next one is the length of each longitude is same. You can see all the longitude start from North Pole and they end at South Pole. That's why the length of each longitude is same. Third number is longitudes are semicircle. That means all the longitudes are semicircle, not like the latitudes. You can see here all the longitudes are semicircle this way. Number 4 is 0 degree longitude and 180 degree longitude divide the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Number 5, there are 180 longitudes in eastern hemisphere and 180 in western hemisphere. So total number of longitude is 360. Next is the distance between two longitudes not same. As you can see, the distance between 20 degree and 40 degree is maximum over here, but the distance near the pole is minimum. The distance of longitude is 111 kilometer at the equator, but as we are moving towards the pole, the distance between two longitudes decreases gradually. Among all the longitudes, two longitudes are important. One is 0 degree longitude, that is called prime meridian, and another one is 180 degree longitude, that is called international date line. So already you learned about the longitudes. Now tell me, is there any differences between longitude and latitude? Yes, there are so many differences between longitude and latitude. Number 1, latitudes are horizontal line and longitudes are vertical line. Latitudes are extended from east to west, whereas longitudes are extended from north to south. Number 2, latitudes are full circle, whereas longitudes are semicircle or half circle. Number 3 is the distance between two latitudes are always same. That's why they are called parallels too. But the distance between two longitudes are not same. Number 4, latitude divide the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, whereas longitude divide the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Number 5, there are 181 latitudes, whereas there are 360 longitudes. 0 degree latitude refer as equator and 0 degree longitude refer as prime meridian. So these are the differences between latitudes and longitudes. But the important fact about latitude and longitude is they help us to find out or locate any particular place on the map very easily. So today we learned about the longitudes and why longitudes are important to locate any particular place on map. We also learned about the features of longitudes, such as longitudes are semicircle, they are vertical imaginary line, each longitudes are equal in length, and the distance between two longitudes maximum near equator and minimum near pole. And we learn about the differences between latitudes and longitudes.